Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. Today is a little quick mail call, I guess you would say. I went out and checked the mailbox today, and I got a letter from Dad Dad Carves. This is cool. Unexpected. Cool. Let's see. Oh, heck yeah. It says, hello, my friend. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel, Dad Dad Carves. Have fun, just carve. Awesome. For sure. Oh, I like that. There you go, my camera didn't know what to do. That's an awesome little sticker. I like that. Too cool, too cool. Let's see, where do we go? Oh. Come right here in the side and start coming back across. That will be awesome. Alright, let me see here. Okay, we did some zooming. Now we need to turn the camera. Awesome. We're gonna put you right up here in this little spot right there, just underneath Wowie's Be a Lighthouse. Two brothers on vision. Awesome. Thank you, Scott. I appreciate the sticker. This is really cool. I saw, what was it, EW's video the other day, and I was like, oh, looky there, he's got stickers, and I was just crossing my fingers hoping I was on the mailing list. And sure enough, thank you, buddy. Now let's see, I have to do this with all my stickers. I can never separate the sticker from the backing. I always have to get my knife and take the tip of my knife and poke at it. Awesome stickers with joyful my big fingers, I can't separate that paper. It's here to stay. He sent a sticker to brighten my day. Never fails. I always got to use my knife. Alright. I hope everybody's having a great day. My day's good, but it's fixing to get miserable. I gotta go do some yard work, unfortunately. I get to take a break because I got a sticker. Alright, I'm gonna have to move the camera here, so I'm gonna be all up on it. There we go. That's better anyway. I want to get you in the corner. Grumpy can't help but smile so wide. The sticker's a gem, it fills him with pride. Perfect. Right in my day. Color so vivid, it swept clouds away. On my wall, it will proudly stay. Thanks to Dad. Yes, I like Dad Dad Carves, Nature's Beauty. You got a lot of videos with Nature's Beauty in there. I like your little wildlife videos that you pop up. Alright, thank you for the sticker, y'all. I'm going to put a link in my description for Dad Dad's channel. Y'all go check it out. I'm going to have one there for Spike's fundraiser as well. Y'all give that a view and share, do what you can. But check out my stickers, y'all. Let me back this back up some. My sticker collection, I got to talk this down. I got that up there because I keep staring at it. I'm not done with it. This is one of my wood spirit roach clips deals, but for some reason it just does not look done to me. I can't seem to call it done and put it away. Excuse me. But we got Two Brothers One Vision sticker here. I got 3 of them. The Be a Lighthouse, Two Brothers One sticker, and Two Brothers One sticker, Two Brothers One Vision, and then the same thing here, and that's the Wowie's Workshop. Y'all gotta go check that out. Dad Dad Carve, thank you so much for the sticker. We got Robert Peters. I think today is Mr. Peters' birthday, so happy birthday, Robert. Creation Dust, Bear and the Boss Lady, Jordy Johnson's, Sean's Pen on Fire, Perry Carbon Wizard, Josh, the electric whittler. We got Sophie under the bark. Delan's handmade woodworking. This is Mr. Grumpy right here, Robert C. Peters. He does pipes and walking sticks. I love his dadgum pipe right here. He made this from Grumpy. It's awesome. Jordy Carving Fusion, Suzanne Rhinestone's channel. Oh, these are some awesome channels. Y'all need to go check them out. My sticker collection is growing. I need more stickers. I want to go and fill up the whole box and then get crazy and start throwing them on the sides, all that good stuff. That's where some of my burrs are right down here. Oop. My little board, I drilled that out and dropped my go-to burrs, the ones I use a lot, I put up here. And then I got my little boards down here that hold a bunch of them too, but these are the ones I use the most. I got these from Wowie's whenever he sent me my box. I like it hanging right there. I think it's pretty neat. I'm gonna make something to hang them up on, but for the meantime, I want them right here. But everybody that sent me the stickers and everybody that watches my channel, I greatly appreciate it. And hey, if y'all want to trade stickers, shoot me an email. I'd be glad to trade. Heck, even if you don't have stickers, you want a sticker, shoot me an email. My email's in my description. You don't have to do that robot stuff to find it. It's pretty easy. But I hope everybody has a great day. And thank you again, Scott. That was unexpected and greatly appreciated. Y'all have a great day.